You move to the country and you purchase a property. You have a house, a simple home, and a couple of acres of land. 5 acres, 10 acres, whatever. No. And you want to do your garden. I'm saying buying soil is not a wise thing to do. Knowing that you have a house and 5 acres, 10 acres, 20 acres, 30 acres, 100 acres, 2 acres, why should you be buying soil? All you need to do is to go on your property, look around. Very important when you're purchasing, you should look for a property that has trees on them. Trees are very important for us. Very, very vitally important. We give out carbon dioxide and they give out oxygen. So we breathe the oxygen in, breathe out the carbon dioxide for them, help make plant food and food for us to eat. Now, get the soil, you go into the woods between the trees, especially at this time of the year when you can see right through, okay? And in the fall, you go there when the animals, the snakes or whatever are in hibernation. If you go in the summertime, it's okay so, but just be careful. So you go in the soil, in the land, and you're looking for your soil. You have land, so you have soil. Why buy soil? You look for an area in the woods where the leaves are thick and been falling for years. And as the leaves fall, they rot. Branches, leaves, flowers, everything rot. So you look for an area, and all you have to do is to just skim out an area. That's why you need a hoe. Again, every smart gardener will buy an end-time hoe. You can get the end-time hoe from endtimegardening.com. End-time hoe from where? endtimegardening.com. And you take the hoe and you go into the woods. Okay, you remove this thing from there. Okay, you clear the area. And the leaves, you're taking back the leaves with you also. Because you can use the leaves to do what? To start making up your beds. You could put the leaves at the bottom if they are not broken down like this. You could put them as the first layer. Okay? And you just clear an area. That's how you get soil. Okay? That's how you get soil. You have 20 acres and you're buying soil. It is total madness. That's it. That's what you do. Some areas will be richer than others, but this is the principle. That's how you get your soil. See soil? Some places you go, the soil might be 4-6 inches thick. This is what you call topsoil. When you buy the soil from the bag, I want you to tell me where it comes from. Is it topsoil? Is it middle soil? Is it bottom soil? What kind of soil? They tell you topsoil. So that's all you say, topsoil. But this you know is topsoil. Why? Because you're taking from on top. You take it from on top. You do it yourself. Topsoil. You just scrape the ground. That's it. This is rich soil. And some places you go in the garden, in the woods, the soil is thick. It's black. It's been sitting there under the leaves for years. Now, you can use this soil just like it is to make your garden. You don't have to see, look at it. And this is Tennessee. With this hard clay soil, this is Tennessee. But you have to know exactly what you are doing. You have to know. The soil is right there. Look. Beautiful soil. Just a small area. Look at the amount. Why should you buy soil? Then you can take the same soil and look at me. Yeah. Same soil. From the woods, rake it up. You could use it just like that, depending on what you are planting, right? You can do it, use it for the layers of your beds. And when you get to the top of the bed, you take the same soil and you just sift it for your topsoil, again, depending on what you're planting. If you're doing seedlings, seeds, you wanna sift it so the seeds can come up without any hindrance, any obstruction. Look, this is soil from the woods. Do it just like that. If we are preparing for Revelation 13:17, when we cannot buy nor sell, we need to be knowledgeable and know how to have our soil ready without having to go to a store. Because if we do that, we do what? We sever ourselves from God. How are you going to get the soil? Go into the woods. Rake it up. Just a simple example, look. Soil from the woods, not from a bag. No condemnation to anyone. We're preparing you for what is to come. God's people need to know that. Look at it. Now let's take a look at it. From the woods, tell me where you should buy soil. This is rich. Soil from the woods, not from a bag. From the woods, not from a bag. All you need is to get a good end-time hoe from endtimegardening.com and go into the woods, back up the leaves, rake about 3 or 4 inches down, and get the soil. Soil from the woods, not from a bag. And that's the way it is in the country. Thank you very much.